Okay, let's have a look at Eggerland. Let's do some reverse engineering. Oh, take a look. I thought we can see at least. So the shoot bullet function is not really a shoot bullet. I mean, it gets triggered when we shoot one, but it also gets triggered when we pick up more bullets though. So let's break on that. So yeah, so it triggers here, so it's not a shoot bullet function. It's more of a change bullet count function. So the bullet amount is stored in D0, which is this one over here, and that will turn to 2 if we let this run. Right, so this is now 2. So shoot bullet is wrong. It might also be a generic increment-decrement function, which might also be linked to lives, maybe. So we'll have to test that out. We'll rename it now to change bullet count, though. Okay, reload. So that's now changed bullet count. And it runs all the way here. So HL is our D0. Okay, it's done now. Let's shoot a bullet. So HL register has D0, which is our current value of bullet. So the bullet count, which is 2. And we load that in the accumulator. And then we subtract 1. I have to get my reference of Z80 instructions. And we do a, I think it's a, oh, it is a conditional jump relative. Okay, that's just a relative jump to 652F. That's quite a bit though. Oh no, sorry, 61D3, that's over here. So that exits the function. So it subtracts and it reloads it back into D0, pops a stack and returns. Right, so like this section is the subtraction and this section is the like the decrement, and this is the increment. Now why does it break on the decrement when you pick up more bullets though? That's like this is sub and this is add by 1. I'll have to do that again. So I shot a bullet now, so we will go here, and jump, because we have subtracted as I've shot a bullet. So let's follow that. So yeah, here we do the jump, and we exit a function. That makes sense. Okay, now let's pick one up. We'll have to shoot again, of course, to pick up the other hard framer, and again to get rid of the enemy. Okay, I have to stop and reset. Okay, we did change our lives by me quitting here or stopping the game, so that wasn't triggered at least. Let's pick up this one. Yeah, so we do start. So now we are at 0 again. We do trigger in the same function, but we shouldn't sub though, we should add. So let's see what it does. So we load H. Okay, HL is a different value now, because we are loading D1F2. What's D1F2? That's 0, 1, 2, that's 6. Why is it loading 6? Yeah, so we have 6 in the AF register. Well, the first byte here. We subtract 1 from that. And we exit the function. Right, so D1, oh yeah, you have to write it in the next one here. So we write it back, or say write it back, yes. So that's now 5. Is that the amount? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the amount of hard framers left. Right. So yeah, this is a generic counting thing. That's interesting. Yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with the bullets per se. Yeah, this is hard framers left. Let's add that. And that would be D1F2. Okay. Can we not scale this? Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because the goal is of course to get all the hard framers, and then the door will open. So the door opening triggers on the hard framer left count being 0. So yeah, let's try opening the door by putting that on 0. Yeah, so we decremented. I guess this is just decrement what's in the HL register, and then it'll jump to increment. Yeah. So this one is the function to increment. So let's change bullet count to decrement HL, and then we have an increment as well, which is 61D5. No, not D5. It's 61CF. Right, and I'm pretty sure, so we decremented the amount of hard framers left, and I think we're going to break on increment now to increment our, although this increments by 1 though, and we need to add 2. So we'll see if it gets called twice. Yeah, so we are incrementing this. And HL is D0, D0, which means we're incrementing our shot count, bullet count. So yeah, we load it, we add 1, that becomes 1. And we load it back, and we return. Let's see where that ends up. Oh, and it immediately calls it again. Okay. I mean, I can escape from this function. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it calls it, so it loads the bullet count in HL, increments it twice, and that's it. Okay. Good. Let's continue. Now I want to try if I can open the door by writing 0 in there, and yes I can. That's literally wait, did I use the right one? D1F2012. Yeah. Well, so it doesn't, like, once it's open, it doesn't check again, clearly. Right. That means, though, that the shooting function is this function. Oh, no, that means a gain bullets function. And it seems like this function starts here, because we have a return here, unless it's higher up. We have the decrement here. Oh, yeah, here's the function to catch a hard framer. We call something and we return, but do we jump here to 5F55? Not necessarily. So maybe this is the start of a function, or this. This might be score related though. Yeah, this might be score related. Although we load D1F4 and then we increment HL. So that might be the base of a struct containing like game state. Because D1F4, I know we increment it, that's strange. Because the hard framers are in F2, so I don't know why that works. Oh, right, no. Okay, it's copying the value somewhere. Right, so let's see if we can break here. Here, perhaps. That would be the pickup hard framer function then. Let's restart. And should be able to stop. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't matter. That's initialization. I guess that's incrementing the amount of hard framers because it has 1 now. Now it'll have 2. Oh no, apparently not. Well, yeah, it might not have rendered it. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, so we do end up here. And the question is, did we come from somewhere above here? I doubt it because there's a return here. And there don't seem to be any jumps to this line. Yeah, this has a return too, so I think this is a different function which calls 3 things. Yeah, so I'm assuming that 5F38 is a pickup hard framer function. Five F38. So we push something on the stack, probably this call function might do something interesting. Oh wait, why did we jump? Oh, I did go into. Yeah, this was the call, of course. So we load D1F4, D1F0123 we load that into HL. So yeah, HL is garbage now, I assume. D1F4, okay, we increment HL, D1 F5 then? No, that doesn't work like that. Or yeah, no, it increments the value. Okay. This might be a state or something like don't do anything while this is 1. Okay, and then we load the amount of heart framers left. We decrement. Let's step over that. Well, don't break on it. So we decrement HL, which is D1F2. We load 1 into HL, okay, sure. And we load the value of C81C into 8, which is 0. I mean, that's C81. Oh yeah, so 81 C, that might be the map, start of the map. Because this block here is the representation of the map, right? It has to remove the heart framer from the map, and I think C81C is the base of the map, as in the game here, like the 13 by 13 array of blocks we have. Yeah, so I think this might be the bottom of the map on which we do, like in which we can index. That's probably, so I'm gonna temporarily add this. Can I put the comments in sim files? I don't know, I can't really find the format for sim files. Yeah, for some reason I can't find the details, like how it is formatted inside. Game Boy symbol file. Is it an RFC? I guess we can go look in the OpenMSX source code. There was a parser, I think. I don't know where that was. Like, there's a symbol manager in debugger, probably, of course. Symbol manager. Alright, so there's different types of symbols, but there are parsing functions. So we detect the file, we have the sim file. So if it starts with this, it's ASMX. If there's just EQU, that would make it generic. So I think we're writing it in generic. Right, so we load the lines. The white space, okay. Split on the white space. Parse value. Okay, that's just values, that's fine. When that's binary, okay. But it doesn't say anything about dropping comments. So, okay, the label may optionally end with a colon. Check label and value, label segment and value. Yeah, it only talks about a label equal and value, so there's no comments or anything. I guess a semicolon sometimes, like it continues over ASMSX, but we're not in this function. I don't think we are parsing it this way, and I think we are just doing no generic area, right? So yeah, we're in this function here, and we can't. Well, it does parse line though. Do we have parse line here? Because it just. Oh yeah, sorry. There's this one. It's this one. Yeah, no, there's no commenting here, so we can't really work with that. Okay, so let's move that to the side. So let's try. I mean, we might as well add it, right? So our variable map base equals, or might equal C81C perhaps. Okay, so we load the map base in A, which is now 0, which is, I mean, I guess it's this 0. It might be something before the map though, because the maps might start at C81D instead of C81C. So yeah, this might be something else. We AND it with A, okay. Like, what are the parameters for an AND here? Logical AND, yeah, sure, but what with? That's unclear. With 0? That's strange. And we call a function that seems to be a relative call. Call subroutine. Okay, yeah, this doesn't tell me anything though. And that's a PDF crap. Do we have a instructions? Yes. Opcodes. Call. So we have 66 or CC 6AC 6E6A, which is the address. Okay, so it's a CC call, which I don't see. Here, it's this one. Condition 0. It's an unconditional call, I guess. Okay. I don't know why it references C here, but that's fine. Let's continue. Let's not jump into this. And I guess we return. Right, did I change something? I didn't see. Continue the stack, we copy, or CP. What is CP? Compare. Okay, we compare something with 78, which probably is the accumulator. Yeah, this doesn't contain enough information. So that would be 7C, right? And we compare it with 78. and see. Okay, so this is a CPU flag, I guess. Return 0 now. Yeah, that's the result of the comparison, and that's what it returns. Okay, probably this probably does a check whether the door should open, perhaps. I'm not sure. I want to look again at picking up of the hard framer to see if it changes the map. Like something's going to happen now, I think, because it's going to update the screen. So maybe it's, if I press go again, we'll see if it updates the map. It does. Yeah, it changed something here. Wait, no, the rotation that this moving is the snaky position. Yeah. So we're not in this vicinity at all. We're somewhere higher up, I guess. Right, because if I null this out, Snaky should disappear. But okay, he doesn't want to. That means he's controlled elsewhere, and this is being overwritten. So this might be like a screen representation. All right. So yeah, where are we? Like Lolo isn't shown on this map either, though. Yeah, this looks to be a map of immovable objects, like for collision maybe. Yeah. Let's pick up this hard framer. Okay. So it's going to be this call, I guess, that does the removal of the map. So let's see if we can see that. Right, so yeah, I think it disappeared, but I'm not sure. I think it was this one, C9B4. So let's try it again. C9B4. Yeah, it was the bottom one though. So, well, it should be, well, let's see if I can see what the other one was. Yeah, it was indeed this one. So this removes a block from the playfield, looks like. Right. So that would be 5E3A. Well, let's entity from map. 5E3A. And then D1F4. Okay, that's down here again. What was D1F4? D1F4. Oh, is that amount of hard framers picked up, or let's see if this changes to 2, which it will, of course, because the same code runs. So I'm going to disable this breakpoint and see if that works. Yeah, 2 and 4. So this looks to be a pair of hard framers left and hard framers picked up, I think. Let's conditionally add that. I don't know why it would be important to save those both. But yeah, it might be for some condition later on. Let's keep playing and see if these values still change. 3, 3, yeah, it looks like that's the case indeed. Okay, so that becomes 4, like 2, 4, I guess. Yep, 2, 4. 1, 5, 0, 6, and 1 became, like this might be door open too though. Oh, and I locked myself in. No, I did not. Yeah, so D1F3 might be door open. So let's restart and try that. D1F4. No, was it 3, I guess? Yeah. So let's put this on 1. No, this does not work. But if I make this 6, that also doesn't trigger it. But if I make this 0, then it does. Okay. So let's, that was 6, that was 0, and that was 0. I mean, the door is still open though, but that doesn't really matter. Yeah, so 5, 0, 1. Now I wonder if the game can be played if I move those to 0. Oops. Okay, it does its normal thing. Okay, it's gonna exit now, I guess. Oh no, right. Okay, so this is door activated, I guess. So if I put this on 1, yeah, this is door activated. Okay, I lost a number. Let's restart. Okay, I have to completely die. So I'm in the first level again. I do not want to continue, but yeah, it was this one, but then 3 is exit door open. And we'll reload. And we'll restart. Okay. We do not see, because the pickup hard framer function should reference the opening of the door though. Well, maybe that's in this function, remove entity from map. Can I go there? No, 5E, 3A. This one doesn't reference it either. So what does this do? It XORs it out, I guess. Calls a couple functions though. Yeah, it must check in one of these. Let's look at the amount of lives, because I don't want to have to restart every time. So let's search for that. Luckily there's a cheat thing here. So let's look for the number 5. 5. Go. And let's decrement the life count. Now it's 4. Okay, we have 2 values. I'm assuming they're both going to decrement again. And now it's 3. And oh no, it's only C811. That would be amount of lives. Or a Lolo count, I guess. No, lives is better. Lives is C811. Okay, C811. It will be this. So let's put that at. I wonder if it's the same thing again, where if I put in a hex number, it puts the decimal number on screen. So if I put 10, it should put 16, but it probably will put 10. Yeah, strange. That's that BCD thing, I guess. Yeah, it was a BCD, right? Binary coded decimal. Well, no, maybe not. I forgot how that worked again. But yeah, this is our amount of lives. I mean, I can, I guess, go to 99, that's fine. We can see or catch the depth function though to make a God mode. We'll have to see whether we can break on write. So we have to do a watch point, add one for write memory on C811. And of course we can't really die in this level, so we have to play it. I'm going to have to work on a warp function so we can warp to levels more easily without having to play the basic ones. But in the next one we can die because there's skulls there, but even then still we have to play the entire level first, because the skulls only activate when the door is open. So I have to collect all the hard framers. Okay, why are we breaking here? I don't know why. Oh, was it? Oh, crap, yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, we incremented our lives, which was at 99, and it rolls over to 100, which is 0, and it kills us. So let's we put a breakpoint on our right. So let's restart the game. On our lives, I meant, not on our right. No password. Okay, so now we will write. I think it increments when we successfully finish a level. Also, it might be because the top score is now 996, and our, I mean, I don't know exactly how that works. If we change the, like if we exceed the top score, we might get an extra life, which we might not do now. Let's see. Right, memory writes breakpoint is on. Yeah. So it's this load that's updated HL, which is C811. That makes sense. I don't know why it's not. Did I not save and reload? Oh yeah, it's because it's in HL. It's going to be higher up here. Should be. Oh, it's the call 6B29. So that might put something in the HL register. Okay. Right, so it's probably going to be this function. This function is going to do something with, yeah, it increments the amount of lives. And it compares it with 21 though. Unless it's just this, and this is not a function, it just starts here perhaps. Let's put some breakpoints and see where we end up. Because this function, yeah, so maybe it ends up in this function, or it's just this one. It loads it in, but why would it load the accumulator in the HL register though? Well, no, it puts 6 into HL, which is the incremented amount of lives. But where would it come from? So let's retry. Let's turn this off, and I'm going to, well, yeah, let's just play this level. Oh, forgot one. Might as well block this one in. So let's see where we end up. Yeah, we are in this function and probably higher up too then. So we have to do a bit more. Well, maybe. We'll see. I should have done some more here. Let's take this one too. Oh, we can't do any more? Okay, no problem. Let's reset. Okay, it's going to stop on everything here, of course. It's strange that the return function doesn't return though. So if we go look, it depends on the stack, of course, where our return value is. Okay, return from subroutine. Yeah, okay. Well, it doesn't matter. Right, so this has nothing to do with it. So it does indeed start from here. That's good to know. Yeah, this is an easy one too. We can try. So what? It's C819 we don't have that one. I mean, I wish I could sort this. I can, I guess. Yeah. C819 we haven't got yet, right? So that's beyond the lives. C819. It's this one. That's being loaded and ANDed. Are these conditions return if non-zero and 0? Yeah, I mean, it would help if my reference here had a bit more information than just return. Like, okay, that's fine too. Can I click? Return and Z at least. There's a distinction here. If the 0 flag is set, the top stack entry is popped into PC. Okay. So it is dependent on the Z flag. Okay, the 0 flag. Okay, those are conditional returns then. Okay, that makes sense. Why it doesn't return to the caller. Okay. Yeah, and this is an unconditional return then. Yeah. Right, so this is the entire function. Now the question is, what is in C819? Because we load that. So this is a condition. So NZ means if the 0 flag is unset based on the value of C819, that means we will return early. Right, is this the kill thing? C819 is selected in the memory view. And it is 0. It's ANDed, which remains 0. And if it's so return NZ is return if the 0 flag is unset, and it is set. So we're not doing that. Oh, right. Is this a... Why would it check whether the amount of hearts is 0, the amount of lives is 0 in the exit function though, in the leave map function? C819 is not... No, that's not the amount of lives though, so I don't know what would reference that. Let's make it so and see what happens. I'm going to have to restart though. Where are we? We don't have a breakpoint here. Let's run. Okay. So let's make that one. That would trigger that this return here, and we'll see what happens. Wait, what? Oh, is this demo mode? Wait. Okay, no. Okay, I thought I was playing. Wait, was I? I was though. Because I was... Is this demo mode? Oh, that would be interesting. So I am playing now. I am doing this. And if I put this on 1, I cannot play anymore. It's actually playing itself. I think it's repeating my inputs or something, because that's what it does when you when it's in demo mode. Right, that's cool. So yeah, we can't increment our lives when we're in demo mode. So C819 is, I think, demo mode. C819. Okay, is demo mode. Yeah. This is... And now I regained control. Yes, I did. Huh. So, I mean, we can check that by having it go into demo mode itself, of course. So that's... yeah, we can keep those breakpoints, I guess. Yeah, let's reset and let's let it go in demo mode and see if C819 gets set as 1. It's the one we have. Oh no, I shouldn't do anything. Crap. I forgot. I have to reset again. I shouldn't touch anything, so it goes into demo mode. So it's this value here, C819. Let's see if that gets put on 1 as soon as it starts playing for itself. Oh, I had A selected. Yeah. This one did get put to 1. Yeah, it was. I was on this one, but it's C819. So yeah, this is demo mode. Wait, can I? Yeah. I mean, I can start playing in the demo. That's pretty cool. I wonder what it's going to do now, though. I wonder what happens if I die now. I mean, it does kill me, and it just restarts. Okay. But yeah, it is actually demo mode. That's cool. Yeah. So, I mean, can I exit them? I guess I have to turn it back on. No, was it this one? No, it was this one. Yeah, from the moment I like, if it's timed, like it's a DAS, like it's a tool assisted speedrun, right? Because it's completely, it doesn't know what to do, and it kills itself. Or I mean, maybe it was repeating my my previous inputs, though. I think it records that. Okay, so we have the demo mode stuff. That's interesting. So if it's demo mode, we do not increment our lives. So we can ignore that. And then this call, I wonder what this call does. So we don't need to break here. It's this call that we're interested in. So let's take a look at the data again, though, at our lives. C811. Okay, so C811. Yeah, this is our lives, which we have which we do like here, right? This load increments our live, but this call is going to do something. 6B29. Let's see what it does. If we can get in here. 6B29. Oh, right. So it loads the lives, and it loads CA0F, 80F. This is this one. Also something conditional here. Oh, this is just increase the amount of lives and return. Except something to do with C80F. So this C6B29 is increase lives. Increment lives. 6B29. Okay. I don't know why that would be checked. C80F. So let's force it. C80F. Let's put that on 1 and see what it does. So it should go to 6 and to the next level. No, it goes to 1. Maybe that's a hard-coded override. So let's try putting that. Oh, right. So it puts it on 1 and it increments HL. Wait, so let's try that again. I should do save states though, so I don't have to wait for all this starting up and stuff. Yeah, let's put the save state at the start of the level and just before going into the exit. Save states. Start of level 1. No, I don't want a screen though. Okay, can I? Yeah, so if I move and I load, yeah, and then let's do one at just before going into the exit. Okay, let's put it here, save state, level 1 just before exit. Okay, now I can go to the start and go here. Okay, that's way better. Right, so we put it on 1 and it made our lives 1. Where's my function here? 6B29. Okay. Why did it? Why did it move so far to 9? Why is it not? Why are my labels not here? 6B. Oh, 6B. I'm looking at 06. 6B. 29 increment lives. Oh, wait, that's being called. Why? That's being called when the door is open. So that's incorrect. That's not increment lives. Because this is called constantly. I'm assuming it's not being called constantly when the door isn't open though. So let's try that. Okay, again with jumping here. I should be able to jump to my can I not add something here? Run to address, scroll to address 6B29. Okay, no, apparently. Oh, 6B29, that's better. Yeah, so, oh, this triggers too. But why would that trigger? Unless, is this level done or in transition or something? Because I think it's going to use this return and not increment the lives, of course. So let's verify that. Yeah. So this is a constant check. I think this might mean then, are we in between, like in the level transition? So that would mean that this will only be triggered and we can inspect C80F then when we are exiting the level. Just before, okay, no, let's let it load. So our breakpoint, okay, are you, okay, so now let's see if it triggers, or no, let's look at C80F. That's this one. Let's see if that changes when we exit the level. No. Why did that not? Wait, no. Okay, we're in the wrong breakpoint. I'm calling increment lives. I'm going in there. C80F is still 0 though. So why would it not return here then? Okay, so this function seems to be called all the time as well. Load HLC811. Okay, that turned it to 6. So that's the one that incremented. Yeah, no, okay, that's a misunderstanding. This is not increment lives. Definitely not, because the increment happens here. This is incrementing the lives. Yeah, this is wrong. So let's go back and look at that function. I mean, you should be able to click or something here though, to automatically jump, because this is too, that's not good. So this is definitely not increment lives, although it does load lives though. It loads lives and this one. So I wonder when that will be put on 1 or something, or not null. So let's put a write breakpoint on C80F. I mean, it might have something to do with mode B or something though, because there's 2 modes. I mean, I can play a bit and see when it's put on C80F, when it's put on 1 or whatever. But I'm not sure we're going to find that. So it's going to be C80F. Oops. C80F. Right. Let's play. Well, this increment breakpoint can stay, but I doubt we will trigger that. It might also have to do something with a 1-up. And I don't know the algorithm with for 1-up. So maybe, I mean, to be sure, let's put it in mode B though. Okay, that's FF now, but that doesn't really, okay, yeah, that's just a reset, that's fine. Yeah, we're not in the game now, so that makes sense. Let's put it in type B. I think it's playing music, yeah. Okay, it's breaking now. I'm going to let it go. It's still 0. Okay. We're now in mode B, it's still 0, so that's not probably going to be it. But I do want to see if that changes. Yeah, no, that doesn't change. That might also have to do something with bonus mode. The bonus levels. Yeah, so I mean, we'll have to play all the way there. I'm gonna have to put it in A again. So wait, let's turn this off, continue, and load our. Can I rename these? Because no, apparently not. So level 1 just before exit, and I want the other one named level 1 so they sort better. So yeah, let's do this one. Save it as level 1 start without spelling error. Okay, Jesus. Level 1 start, and let's remove the other one. Okay. Okay, loads. Okay, I deleted it though. Level 1 just before exit. Now let's save this as level 2 start. And let's play it again. I want to see if the bonus level puts that on 1 or something, because that means you can't die, you're invincible in that level. That might have something to do with it, yeah, because invincibility is needed for the bonus level, and that might, although it's the increment lives function though, or yeah. So save state, level 2 before exit. You have to be quick here. And then level 3 start. Save state, level 3 before exit. 1, 2, 3, okay. And then level 4 is at level 6, I think. It's 5 levels and then a bonus level. So we are saving this as level 4, I think. Yeah, level 4 start. Oops. It didn't register my input, apparently. Level 4 starts. I don't want to lose my life here. Not that it's important. I'm going to save it here. Save states level 4 before exit. And then it's a slightly more difficult one. Well, not really. Level 5 start. Come on, over here. Should I not have put it down already? Okay. That's level 5. Before exit, level 5 exits. I think I did before exits. Okay, and now we will do the bonus round, I think. Bonus 1 start. Okay, let's look at C80F now, whether that will change. And it does not. So that is not invincibility. Okay, I don't really have to play this level. I'm probably not gonna make it either. Okay, so that value is definitely not invincibility or anything to do with the function we were looking at. I'm gonna make it. Of course, I can't really save the state here because that's so quick. Okay, we're also not in this screen. That doesn't affect it either. Right, okay, never mind. So let's go back to what we were doing. Load states, this one. Right, so we were on this function, which was not incremental lives, though I don't know why. Well, yeah, no, this one, this entire thing was incremental lives. Was it? Or was it the one we came from? I think it was the one we came from, though. Yeah, no. So this is not increment lives because this is called all the time. We go look up, see where we're coming from. Yeah, we don't even recognize this function. It does call from the same place all the time, though. But yeah, this is not our function. So this never gets triggered then, right? It does not. So yeah, this is a red herring here. It's not increment lives. Can I comment it with this? Let's see if that works. Yes, so we can do comments. Perfect. But we need to go look at, yeah, I'm going to put the right memory on the lives again to find our original function we were looking at. Oh, did it remove it? Why? C818, which one was it? Lives C811 at C811. Okay, watch points are included in the save state. Why would that be the case? Why? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so this is the we were looking at this call. So 6B29 is what we were looking at, and that is not increment life. So we don't know what that function does actually. Then this function is called increment lives 44DF. Right, because it doesn't add of 1. So it checks it's in demo mode, and then if it's not, we call something, we don't know what it does because it's called elsewhere too. Then we load our live variable, increment it, compare it to 21. Why would we compare it to 21? I don't know why we do that, but fine. Now we'll have to test decrementing the live counter and see if that's, I mean, that's going to be a different function, right? So yeah, this is increment lives, and I will find the decrement lives. Okay, so yeah, the right memory we need to do, but we will just force a life loss by stopping the game, pressing the stop button, I mean. Okay, this should give us 1 less life, and it's about the same function, right? So we're checking the demo mode. It starts up higher though. I don't see a return here anywhere. Okay, stupid fly. I think that's going to be too high, even though I don't see a return. I mean, it could be. Yeah, it could start from here. I mean, we'll check. So let's stop this, and we will stop again. Yeah, so it does indeed go here. I mean, I doubt it will be in here, but let's check anyway. Yeah, no, that's the dive function. Now the question is, will this trigger, because I did the stop button now, so this might be the function for the stop button. I might as well check whether if you dive from an enemy, whether it does the same thing though. So let's load a state. Well, let's let you go. Let's load a state just before exit, because now we can dive from this one, No, let's just look at the function. Yes, this looks like the Lolo dice function. And let's see how far it goes, because we were writing it down here. Yeah, the 6129 comes back here too. So let's see how far down it goes by stepping through. Okay, we call a couple functions. We look at the map. Okay, we call something else. We pop, we decrement. Okay, that's fine. We do a conditional jump, which we don't do. XOR with 5C, sure. Okay, now we're starting to jump, so now it gets a bit confusing. Okay, now we're too far gone. Okay, so let's put that function in the symbol file, because that's our die function. I don't know where it was, so let's load that function again. Let's trigger that one. Okay, yeah, it's 6094, which would mean die 6194. Let's reload. Yeah, this is the die function, and let's put that one back again so we can see where we decrement. Play. Right, so it does the entire animation. That's probably, it's going to call updates for this animation because it only writes it in here. And we are still in the same function, I think. Yeah, we are. Yeah, I think this all is this all is animation stuff. And at the end, we load the decremented live count into our live storage here, like in the C811. Yeah, because it's C811 is HL. So we update our new lives and we jump. Yeah, we're doing stuff after too though. I don't know why, because it's checking demo mode here. I think it's going to return anyway. I mean, we can check, of course. Are we still broken? Yeah, we are. Where are we? Yeah, we're here. So let's see where it goes, right? Oh, it immediately jumps after that one. Okay. So C6094 does indeed seem to stop. Oh, yeah, it jumped a little bit down. It's from here to here. Okay. I have to look up what JR is. It's just a relative jump, I guess. Unconditional, probably. Yeah, that's an unconditional jump, I think. JR, where are you? Here, yeah, that's an... The signed value D is added to the PC. Okay, yeah, that's the parameter to the jump. Yeah, 6129. Okay, that's a simple jump. Okay. Question is, invincibility would be checked somewhere here, right? So I'm going to follow this. I mean, this function probably would not be called in the bonus level. So let's try that. Yeah, let's try that. So to see whether it is even called bonus start. So let's do an interaction, a collision with an enemy, which would trigger death. And no, this is not called even. So we have to be higher up in the list. Okay. So let's die here and see where we come from by going up. Yeah, we're doing the animation, decrementing our lives. We're breaking again in that function. Why would we do that? Oh, we broke twice there. That's strange. Let's look at the level, current level value first, though, because we might see that in the die function too. Because it has to increment or like, well, does it? No, it probably doesn't touch that, but let's look at it anyway. So round 2, let's go from 2 to 3. Load state. Well, this one is already active, so let's do 3 before exit and go from 3 to 4. Let's use our cheat finder here and use search for 3 and go to 4. Are we broken here? No. And now search for 4. Right, there were 2 values. It's going to be the first one though, because if we C81B, C81B, yeah, 4. If we change this to, well, let's not play the entire thing, but level 1, and we change this to 50, C81B. Yeah, it already updated it here, and then it will go to 81. Well, that's which is a bonus level, sure. So C81B is our current level. Well, it's called round, but C81B. Right. And now let's see where that is accessed. I do want to find God mode though, which is this one here. It is slowing down with, why? Because of, I don't have any breakpoints. I do. Okay, are we doing something here? Because, yeah, that's at 100%, which it shouldn't be. Maybe we reset, I don't know. Let's quit and start that up again, because it's going at 100% here. Let's let that cool down and start up again. Yeah. Okay, I have to mute this audio. Yeah, so let's try that again with an odd number, I guess. So this is hex though, because now it's 68. Okay, doesn't matter. So we go to 69 then. Right, so that works. Now let's look at the level transition code. So we'll put a breakpoint on C81B. I'm gonna use a easier level though. C81B. Oops, 1B, okay. And let's exit the level and see where we break. Hi Tim, how are you? That is indeed a very cool game from 1985. Yeah, so we broke here. Yeah, we're loading the current level, incrementing the level. This looks to be a big function too. Good to hear. Yeah, there's just lots of stuff. I'm guessing here maybe. Let's try it again. Okay, no. Why are, oh yeah, we're writing on the watch point here. No. For 660, why are we breaking here? Okay, this is not good. Yeah, this is called too much. I guess we're lower down. And this was our increment of level. Yeah, so this is the exit function for sure. We're still in there. We're popping here. So this might be the first function, first line. Although it broke again, so I doubt it. Yeah, no, not this one. Maybe this one. Let's put a couple. We don't have any watch points though, so I don't know why it's breaking here, because we're not, I mean, 7EB does not really come into play here. Okay, so it is this return. Okay, so this looks to be, wait, where are we? Oh no, this is too high. So it's only the three, yeah, these three, but this might be the first one then. Okay. So it jumps and, oh, this is the beginning of the next level. Okay. Never mind then, that's too high. Maybe this one. Yeah. Okay, let's see again if the previous one triggers. It does. Okay. Well, that's not super important though. We just have to find, because it's going to do some checking to see whether it should be God mode or not, whether it's a bonus level or not. So actually we can also look at our current level. Yeah. C81B. This one, if we watch this one and exit from level 5. Okay, why are you breaking though? You don't have any breakpoints. Right, so if we exit here and we see, like if we write 6 here, we also probably do something checking whether it's what the next level is and whether we have to put it into God mode or not. So let's watch. C81B. And let's exit. Yeah, we have to try and see what we can it's a bit of a crapshoot here, but we'll see what we can. Okay, I can't use the quick one. Now okay, it removed my breakpoints. No, it didn't. Why did it not trigger though? And why does it not jump to these? I should add that though. Why did none of these trigger? Oh, is this because the next one is a bonus round? No, it's here. But this one is the first one, so something is jumping to here. Would this work? No. Right, so yeah, this one was the first one that triggered. The above ones did not at all. And my level is on 6. Right, so does that mean that the level after this is level 7 or 6? I don't know actually. It's bogging down again. I mean, is it because of the breakpoint or what? I mean, I have to wait a timeout because I didn't kill the skulls. Yeah, so that's 6. Oh, that is 6 here too, though. So it remain on 6. So this is... Yeah, this is current level, but... But the bonus levels are different here. Let's save this as level 6 start. So these are all zeros except the level number. It becomes 6, but this becomes a 1. Okay. Is this then the invisibility thing? Or did we already check that? Okay, let's make it 0 and see. Oh wait, did something change? Oh, this is the bonus level. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, this is bonus level number. Okay. Because it changed the number here. Where is my level number? Current level. Current bonus level. That's C81C. Good to know. Right, that already clears stuff up here. Oh, so and there are... It ends it. 2, 3, 4. Exit door opened. Remove empty from map. Wow. Okay, that's an interesting one. There was nothing about invincibility here though. So maybe it just checks whether this number is not 0 as to check whether invincibility should be applied. So let's go to our regular level. But for example, this one, and see if we can put this on bonus level 1. Oh, it's a time then. That's cool. The time automatically starts. Or is this mode B? Yeah, this might be mode B then. Oh, it is. Right, because the bonus, okay, so if we go to the bonus level, level 6, no, level 5 before exit, if we exit, it says the bonus number, but as soon as you start the level, it starts timing down. So there is a flag here that changes when I start a level. So now, right now, the level isn't started yet, and the timer isn't going. But if I move, yeah, then the timer starts. This is the timer, I'm assuming. Yes, it is. Okay, so C81D is bonus level timer. Okay. And then this is the bonus level number, which also triggers invincibility, because if we go to level 3, which is now active, it's still counting down. That's fine. Let's just put you at 0. Oh, it keeps counting down. I don't know if that's because I'm switching around too much though, but that's fine. Let's see if we put this on 1, meaning, or on 2, we are in it now. Visualize the timer. That's fine. And it triggers invincibility mode. That's cool. Right, so at least we can see what happens when we do it, when we put it on when the timer runs out. It automatically exits. Huh. Yeah, it's confused about the password, of course, because we're in an uncertain state. And it restarts the level. Okay. Like, this timer keeps counting down constantly. But it probably won't do anything, because this is 0. Yeah, it only triggers when the bonus level is on 0. And this is the score. Yeah, that's the 1-up score, and this is the top score. Okay, so let's put that in the symbol file too. I mean, it's 2 bytes too, so I don't know how to do that in the symbol file, but it's going to reference the first one. I'm assuming C808 is wait, this was the top score C808, and then 1-up score is C813. Okay. I don't know what. Oh, is this C811 is the live count, right? Yeah, that's the lives. I don't know what this FF is though. Not sure. Let's die. Yeah, no, that didn't change. Not sure about that one. Yeah, so that's our timer. So does the timer start? Yes, it does start. Oh, that's strange. So the timer is just ticking down, but it doesn't reset though if it's not a bonus level. Okay, and this is the actual level then, because, oh no, it's not. Doesn't really like that. Not sure. Okay, so God mode is linked to this being set, I guess. So let's put a watch point on right on this. And let's go to level 5 end. So then let's watch this one. This is C81C. Okay, and let's see who writes into that. Yeah, so it's written current bonus level. Okay, where does our function start here? Oh, is that the big one? I think it might be. Yeah, it looks at the current bonus level a lot. And then it loads A, which is 1. And it comes from C. Okay, so it calculates, it increments sub 5, compares it with 6. Okay, compares with 6A. So what's this one? Is HL changed? No. C81B we have as current level. I mean, it is determining which bonus level to load here. Okay, maybe it starts here. No, here's a return to. Maybe it starts here. Let's see if this triggers level 5 before exit. Let's turn off our watch point, which disappeared anyway. 465A is not triggered, so we're too high up. Okay, so it's not this one. Oh yeah, there's a return here, didn't see that. Maybe it's this one. Oh, this one triggers all the time, so probably not. I mean, it is this one, right? So shall we jump to 6129 though? Maybe this is the start though. Oh, this might be a constantly running function, maybe for the timer or something. Because no, but it updates the bonus level though. So it puts the current bonus level in A. Oh no, it's not writing to the current bonus level. This one is writing to it. I was wrong. Yeah, no. Yeah, this writes A into the current bonus level. Okay, let's do that again. Right, and then C80F, which we haven't got yet. C80F. Then it loads in the A register the value, which is 0. And puts it in A10 C810, which we haven't got either. Well, it does lots of stuff here. I mean, I guess we can look at the collision function, like the dive function, and see if we can pick up something from there, though, to see whether we have to, whether the bonus level gets checked over there. Yeah. So let's stop this, load again at well, I mean, no, let's collide with an enemy here, and wait, no, let's do the level 3. That's better. And let's go to 6094. The dive function, let's see if that triggers. Yeah, it does check current bonus level. JP, what is JP again? If the 0 flag is unset and then is copied, which is the value. Wait, where are we? Wait, I lost. No, we don't have the bonus level. Did we move? That's strange. I thought I saw the bonus level being checked. I must have been mistaken. Okay, never mind. Yeah, we're in the dive function. It loads the map. Was this not... Wait, am I... Oh, right. My mistake here. This is not map base. This is current bonus level. The map is farther down. So this is wrong. Yeah, it is current bonus level. Of course. That's what I thought I saw. So we do a JP. It ends it. So if it's 0, then we jump to 4689. Do we do that? Let's see. So it's 0 in the accumulator, so we're not in a bonus level. We're ending it, so oh, right, so we're ending it with A, and the 0 flag gets updated. Right, so that's 1, meaning it's, oh, that's strange. And then if it's non-zero, then we jump to 4689. Will we do that? No, we do not. So is this the invincibility thing, though? That might be the case. Okay, so let's play this out, do it again, and change the value. Right, so we die. Now if we do this and we almost die here and we go to our die function, I mean it's still breaking, we're still breaking on that one. Let's walk down, we load the current bonus level, which we now are going to edit. Can we edit this here? We say yes, we're in a bonus level. Do we die now? Probably not, right? So we are ending it. The 0 is now null, it's like 0. And we jump to 4, 6, 8, 9. Yes, we do. So that would mean, oh, we still die though. Oh, is this go to next level? Right, because if you, well, you shouldn't die in the bonus level though. Right, because it moved us to the next next level, even though we didn't. Right, is this if for some case you do die in the bonus level, you just go to the next level? I don't know how that could be triggered though, because there's no active enemies in the bonus level, so that's a bit strange. Let me check demo mode a couple times and bonus level, but I don't know if that's part of this function though. Let's see if we give if we have a die function trigger on the bonus level. I think we didn't get this. Come on, don't. Yeah, no, that isn't triggered at all. So die isn't triggered. I mean, we should be able to go up though from when we do trigger it. We should be able to go up and see where we were called from. Yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, I can't go up from here, which sucks. Because I want to see who calls die. And I can't find any references to. Can I copy this entire thing? No, I mean I want to dump this. Because then I can find references to this function. Do we have our return value on a stack? Apparently not. So we can't return from this, right? So this is, it's not a function in the sense that it returns from this. But we must jump here from somewhere though. but it's not put on the stack, so we're not supposed to or expect to return. So we're not in a bonus level, so we're not making the jump. We're calling stuff. I mean, it's too late already to be invincible because we're in this function. I mean, we do check bonus levels here. Now we jumped up, I think. Yeah, we keep jumping up for some reason. Or are we updating the sprite maybe? Yeah, we are. Yeah, this is the routine to simply update the sprite. Yeah, next sprite. Okay, this is like complicated stuff which we don't really need because it's updating the sprites, right? Okay, next sprite. Next sprite. And final sprite. No, we have to completely turn around, right? So, okay, now we check if it's demo mode again. We're a bit more down in that function. 6129 it's called. But demo mode is irrelevant though. That's the like the TAS stuff, DAS. Okay, we do go to 6129. Okay, fine. We're not in demo mode. Oh, now we check our lives. We load it, which is now 6, and we increment it. Now increment H1, which was C812. Now do we have C812? C812. We OR it. What are we doing? ORing HL. C812. That's interesting. We're doing something with C812, which is right next to our lives. Let's mess with that number then. Oh, and it's reloading now. Okay. Okay, now it's just painting the next level, or the level again. What does this one do though? Wait, let's go back to our before exit state. Let's put something in there. We die. Yeah, we do die. Okay, that isn't touched. Never mind. Okay. I will be back later in the day, I guess.